My name's Edward Connellan, and I'm the grandson of E.J. Connellan, who was the founder of Connellan Airways. It was the first airline based in Alice Springs, starting in about 1940. It was instrumental into helping to open up the territory and started the first mail runs, first medical evacs. Yeah, it was a significant part of the history here in Alice Springs.
Now, this is the original site of the original airport, and the first aeroplane that landed here in 1921 landed just down the road here a bit.
It's great when you can come here and touch the aircraft and handle some of the objects and sit in the cockpit and feel just what it was like to be one of those early pioneering aviators. I think the experience that surprises guests the most is just understanding how, in such a small part of Australia, how big an impact we had here in aviation.